Is it possible to view someone's WhatsApp status without them knowing?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting topic. Is it possible to view someone's WhatsApp status without them knowing? In this video, we'll go through a few steps that might allow you to do just that. However, it's important to note that respecting privacy is crucial. These techniques should only be used for ethical purposes.
What is WhatsApp status?
Firstly, let's understand what we're dealing with. WhatsApp status allows you to share text, photos, videos, and GIF updates that disappear after 24 hours. In order to maintain privacy, WhatsApp has a feature that allows you to see who has viewed your status. Now, what if you want to view someone's status without them knowing?
Can you really view someone's WhatsApp status without them knowing?
Yes, you can. There are a few methods that can help you view someone's status without appearing on their viewed list. However, it's crucial to remember that these methods are subject to changes in WhatsApp's privacy policy or software updates. As of my last training data in September 2021, these methods worked.
How to do it?
So, here's how you can do it. Method 1. Disable Read Receipts 1. Open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots on the top right corner. 2. Go to Settings, Account Privacy. 3. Uncheck the box that says Read Receipts. Please note that by disabling Read Receipts, you won't be able to see the read receipts for your messages either. Method 2. Use WhatsApp Widget 1. On your home screen, long press and select Widgets. 2. Find the WhatsApp widget and add it to your home screen. 3. This widget will show you recent status updates, which you can view without notifying the other person. So, there you have it. These are a couple of ways you could potentially view someone's WhatsApp status without them knowing. Always remember, however, that these tips should be used ethically, respecting others' privacy. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more interesting tech tips and tricks.